Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, I'm about to share with you like something which is so good. Like this is good news to all that are looking or making money online. It is 100% free. You don't need to pay anything or to buy anything on this app. So just listen to me, listen carefully, do whatever I'm going to show you or I'm going to instruct you to do in order to make your earnings higher and higher. So guys, it is free, it's available worldwide. Anybody from any country can join this. I'm going to show you how to register step by step at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned, watch the video for you to learn everything that you're supposed to know before you register. And again, make sure you watch until the end for you to get tutorials on how to register, because you really need to know how to register before you click on that link. And again, as a reminder, the link I will put or tag it on the comment section. So all the links that you need, I'll put them on the comment section, especially this app link. Then again, I'm also going to put our WhatsApp chat group link. That is where you can join to get more updates, and you will be able to talk to me inbox like an admin. If you join a WhatsApp group, if you have any question or any regards, just DM admin there, and I'll be able to help you immediately if possible. So guys, if you're new on my channel, this is the first time you're watching my video or you've come across my channel, my name is Cynthia, and on this channel I give tutorials on how to make money online. Okay, that's so simple. All ways of making money online, they are all here. So watch my previous video. We have many websites that I've talked about. They are all free, they are amazing, they are legit. Like everything that I provide here, guys, they are all legit. If you do what I'm telling you exactly, guys, you'll appreciate, like you'll thank me later. Many have made money through my channel because I always do research before bringing like a tutorial or before uploading a video talking about any website or app. I have to do a research first, and once it is legit, it's approved, I'll come here, share it with you guys. So the only thing you need to do to me is to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, also turn on that notification bell, and again um uh share. If you want to share with your friends who also wish to make money online, share with them, because these things, they don't need even 1 hour of your time. Like you need maybe on a daily basis, you just need 10 minutes, like 5 minutes or more, or even 10, just to sign in all your platforms to get daily rewards. Okay, so I'm about to share with you something which is so good, guys. This is what I want to share with you. I want to check on this section written airdrop. Okay, so guys, I'm going to share with you something which is so important to me and to you guys. If you click on this area written airdrop down here, you're gonna see something which is so important. This is a new account, and you can see, guys, right here, something which is so amazing about this airdrop is that, as you can see, guys, you can see here right now, let me do that. Like you can see right here, listing price is is 1.20, like $1.20, 1.2 cents listing price. And you can see immediately you join with my link, immediately you join with your link, with the link that I'm going to post on the comment section, you'll be given free 2.5 coins. And I'm also going to share with you more ways of earning more uh um coins. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to finish, you have to finish verification. So you have to verify your account first in order to start making more money, or in order to claim your coins. So you can see, complete your identity verification, that is KYC, in your profile to be eligible for claiming tokens. So for you to claim tokens, guys, for you to claim tokens here, you can also see where your partners are people who can join under you. You can share with your family, and after After uploading your documents of verification, of which I'm going to show you what you're supposed to do, you'll come here and set address, okay, wallet address, okay, where you'll be able to receive your tokens. Okay, so we have different things here, we have many things going on here, and you can also see as you scroll down, the more you share, if you share with your friends, you will earn more. So just copy the link, then share with your friends. Okay, or share directly through this share button. Then we have referral. Daily you get 0.5 Leslie Celsi. Hey, my God, my mouth. Then you watch the video, you claim, you earn welcome bonus of 2.5 Celsi airdrop. That is worth $3. Okay, and as you claim more, you will be earning more. So referral is not a must. Listen to me, referral is not a must, but you can share with your friends, because since it's free, you can share with your friends. But if it is so hard for you, just do other tasks. We have, these are daily tasks right here. You can do all these tasks. You follow their social media, and I always advise you guys, follow any app that you join, any platform that you join, make sure you follow their social media sites and turn on that notification, so that you'll be able to get updates on a daily basis anytime they give out. Okay, so the next thing is follow their social media, like this one, follow X, say Cecilia, or X, and then join Cecilia channel. Then you will be rewarded 0.6 Celsius. Remember, they've said this coin is gonna be listed, and the listing price is 1.2. So you can imagine, if they immediately list it and the price is 1.20, it means that maybe in that day, within that day, or maybe the following day, the price goes up to even 1.6 or $2. Yeah, it's like you grab it for free, or you take it for free, or you claim it for free. Then when it's listed, you'll get more profit. That is how all these coins you are seeing now are booming, or doing so well, or pumping so high. There are people, the pioneers, the founders, they grabbed them, or they claimed them for free, just the way I'm telling you to claim all these coins. There are many coins that I've claimed for free myself, and I've made money from them. So what about you? You can also do this as well. It is free. It doesn't even need like 5 minutes of your time on a daily basis. My dear, log in on a daily basis, claim your rewards, do daily tasks, claim your rewards. So long as there is nothing you're losing, because you have bundles, or you can access internet, you're browsing on social medias that you're not even monetized, or they're not paying you. Why not join these apps that I'm always advising you to join, so that they can pay you at the end of the run, like at the end of the run. Okay, so we also have join chat. So if you click on start, they will direct you to their Telegram channel. Then you'll click on, they will immediately, the system has approved you that you've joined. They will tick this, like this one is ticked. Then subscribe to our channel, then play game. Yeah, you just click play, then it will take you to where you're supposed to play the game. Then we have the reward. Wow, this app really has amazing opportunities, guys. So we have this under reward. Let us see what they have for us there. So under reward, you can see invite your friends and earn big. For every 10 successful invitations, you will get a chance to win in our exclusive gifts. Don't miss out and start inviting. So just share now. Then you can see the bars, each bar presenting one invitation. Collect 10 invitations to claim your reward. Guys, it's not a must, but those who have passion and enjoy sharing link with people, you can go ahead and enjoy. If you and share with your friends. Imagine, you don't need any hard thing. Like you just say, oh bro, there is this app, blah blah blah. Just give some explanation. Don't lie. Just say, okay, this app, it pays to do this. You can claim this point. Then in future, maybe the next 2 months, or the next month, or this month, at the end of this month, you can sell. If they have listed the coin, you're gonna sell it, then claim your rewards for free and withdraw and enjoy your earnings. These apps are free, and whatever I share, guys, are real ones. So I normally do research and see, does it have potential in future? Like, does it worth like claiming on a daily basis? Yes. If yes, I normally share. Okay, so whatever I share here, take it for like, take it serious. Okay, I take my time to do all the research. I take my time to record the video. I take my time to talk. Even sometimes I don't feel like, but I have to. Okay, for my community, for my friends, for my fans. Okay, for my channel too. So guys, don't take anything I post here for granted. Take the opportunity as soon as you see it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Okay, we continue. So the next thing is, you can see every bar represent one invitation. You get rewarded. And what are the rewards you claim? We have gift for complete 10 referrals. You see all of them. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 gifts that you can win if you attain the 10 referrals. You can get iPhone 16 real. You can get Celsila airdrop cap, you can see. You can get Celsila t-shirt, you can see. You can get Celsila tumbler, you can see, that is water bottle. You can see Celsila umbrella, you can see. You can get 20 Celsila token, it's over here. You can also get 10 Celsila token, you can see it. You can also get 5 Celsila token. So whatever you will win depends with your with your what is bahati in English? With your luck. You know, bahati is Swahili, so that word disappeared. That is why I had to like try it in Swahili so that it can come back to my mind. Oh, Cynthia, I have to go take my breakfast first. Okay, that is just by the way. So guys, you can win anything. It will depend with your luck. So guys, rush into this opportunity. Don't let anything slide. Don't let anything slide. Grab it. Grab it, guys. Okay, that is just that. You can see recent activity. You'll be able to see them right there. You can see everything. Welcome bonus they give you immediately, even before you do the KYC. But for you to claim all these things, you have to put the KYC. So my advice, immediately you register, claim the reward. Then after that, go to KYC, or where you're supposed to to prove your identity. I'm gonna show you where that is. So guys, you're not going to join this thing alone. You can see we have leaderboard. Oh my god, I wish I knew. Like, you know, I always regret seeing opportunity late. I just want these things to, like, I just see them when they are starting, but it is so unfortunate sometimes I don't get them as early as I want. You can see we have leaderboard. Compete for a top 3 position to earn more exclusive reward. Okay, so we have position 2, we have position 1, we also have position 3, and we can see second place. So join. Okay, you can let us see the first people. You can see this person is having 480 shares with 1,898 Celsila coin. Wow, that's huge. I'm looking forward to that person. Like, I'm gonna reach leaderboard soon, and one day I'm gonna record a video showing you the leaderboard while my name is somewhere happier. Just wait for me, okay? You'll see that soon. I trust myself. You can see this one. You can see people have joined. People are making money. This is number 13. You can see number up to which number? Let's see. This is number 33. You can go ahead and, oh, they have reached up to number 33 only. Okay, because I'm not seeing any further. You can see up to 426 Cecilia. That's good too. People are making money. People are making money. You can see people, real people's names. And let us see what they have written on their advertisement page. Like 10 referrals into riches, 70,000 exclusive reward change. C for life. Okay, let's join this together. Let's join, and if you have any question, don't forget to ask. Inbox me through our WhatsApp group chat. Join. Inbox me there in case you have any question. You can also ask on the comment section. And refer and rule. Compete for top 3. Okay, so second prize is $15,000. Then first prize 25. Then third prize 10. Wow, that's good. Then you also have limited. So I don't know whether these ones are passed or they're still running. I don't know, but I'm yet to confirm. Once I've confirmed, I'll share with you guys. We also have joined the biggest crypto giveaway airdrop of the year. Celsi airdrop live now. Oh guys, you don't need to miss. So we're gonna go under profile to see what is required for us to get the coin or the token. So go under profile. If you tap on your profile, so guys, if you tap on under profile, if you tap on it, you'll be able to see profile. Manage your profile information. Complete KYC verification before claiming your tokens. Please, you have to click on this place written verify now. This small arrow hiyo ka arrow inaenda huko. Okay, that small arrow. Okay, you have to tap on it so that it can take you to where you're supposed. You'll see your information there, and then the wallet address you have to bind it. So once you are done, you can come here, bind your wallet address. Okay, mine is not available because I will not bind it all yet. I'm yet to do that because I want to verify my account now. I'm not gonna take time. So another thing that you need to do, you need to know, is you will have your referral code you can share with your friends, okay, together with the link. That's that. Let us see what again we need to know. Guys, again, what you need to know is you can log out if you want. If you need any help, contact us on Telegram. So just click Telegram, then it will take you to the page here. You can contact the customer care. So I'm on my way going to show you how to do registrations. So if you've watched this video until now and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. You haven't like, I don't know what you're waiting for, girl or boy. Please go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, okay, to motivate me. So let us go see ways of um uh I mean how you can register and install the app. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, if you first click on the link on the comment section, this is the page that is gonna appear on your screen. Okay, so let me take you through. It's so simple, you don't need to struggle. So you can see create account, sign up to get started with Celsila airdrop. Okay, so you have to put your email address, put it here, password, set something that you can remember, girl, or you can remember, boy, because you really need it when you're logging in every time. Okay, so after that, click on create account. Click on create account. Put in your email address, put in your password, set it the way you want it. But I don't advise anyone to sign up using Google. But if you want, go ahead. So after that, go ahead and download the app through your browser. So if you click on your browser, you'll be able to see download or install. You can go ahead, download or install. So you have the app itself. Be claiming your rewards on a daily basis. Perform your task. Another video is coming soon. Another hot video. Watch the next video. It's very hot. It's hot for me. It's hot for you. You really need it. And the coin is going to be launched November 1st. That I'm about to talk about. Make sure you watch it. For now, guys, I have to say bye. My baby's awake. Let me go take Pika. Bye-bye, guys. See you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe and like.